Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to install Python. So that's very easy. You can go directly to this link, that is python.org, or maybe you can simply Google this link, Python download. But I'll share this link with you in the description section. Simply go to this link and then click on this downloads, and here you can see download for Windows. So actually I'm talking about Windows operating system when installing Python in this case. So simply click there, and after this you can see on the right hand side it has started downloading Python exe file. And once this is downloaded, we can simply go to our downloads folder. Actually, yes, I'm in virtual environment and I'm using VMware. Yeah, so simply go to this folder, and hopefully in the download folder you will have this file which we just downloaded. So click on downloads, and now we have this exe file. Double click there, and as I'm in my virtual environment, it may be a bit slower, but only thing is that you need to download it and then double click the downloaded exe file. This will start installing Python on your system. So here you use admin privileges when installing. Yes, we want to use admin privileges and add python.exe to path. So you can set this path manually, but I'm going to check this option for easiness. And then here in custom installation, you can simply click on install now, but in custom installation you can have more option which you can select or deselect, check or uncheck. So here these all things I need, because I'll be using this for Scapy, which will be my next video. Anyway, so I'm going to select all these options and click next. And after that, this is the install location, so this will be installed on C drive. But in my case, in most of the cases, I simply change it to D drive. But for this demonstration, let's keep it as C, and then simply click on install. And now you can see it has started initializing, so simply click yes. And then you can see Python has started its process of installing, and we need to wait for some moments. And once this is complete, I'll be back and I can show you that Python has really been installed. And now you can see this has been installed. The installation process is complete, setup was successful, and then we simply click close. And now hopefully Python has must have created some links here. On my start menu, you can see if I click on start, and you can see here we have IDLE and Python 3.12. So this is how you can verify it. Otherwise, we want to see the version of that, you can also check it from command prompt as well. But for us, like you can see here, this IDLE, and if you click there, it should launch the Python IDLE. So that's it, very simple. And these are really simple steps to install Python on Windows operating system. And now I'll be using this Python for Scapy in my next video. Thank you.